Hello everyone, welcome to Daydream Diaries. Today we are doing a fun activity which is stone painting, and it is also about how to do stone painting. Like, you can learn from this video. This is for kids basically. If you have kids in your home, so you can do this fun activity with them. So first of all, for the stone painting you need stones. These flat shaped stones are best for stone painting. You can see them. Look how flat they are. They are best for stone painting, and these are some of the stones which my sister painted previously. Look how cute they are. It is also a flat shaped stone, and they are better for stone painting. So these are some Pinterest inspired stones. Honeybee, we have Tweety, we have avocado, penguin, and I don't know the name of this character, but it's so cute. We have ladybug also. The second thing you need are paints. These are some acrylic paints, and then I use some of the fabric markers for the outlining to my stones. And here we have some paint brushes. You also need gesso for stone painting. First you apply gesso, then you let the stones dry, and then you paint. Also make sure you have a separate brush for applying gesso, because gesso gets sticky on these brushes and your brushes gets ruined. So before getting started, I need to share something. The most interesting part about this stone painting is, guess what? Stone hunting. Stone hunting is the most creative part and also the most interesting part, because for stone painting, obviously, you need to find these flat shaped stones, and although you can easily find them in your street or in front of your house, in the roads, they are easily available, but you have to look for them carefully. So for stone painting we need some inspos, we need some designs, and for that I use Pinterest. So let's open the Pinterest and we will search stone painting ideas. Stone painting. We can see we have plenty of ideas in front of us. I find these ideas very cute, but this specific one, I will paint this pink one. It's so cutesy and it's giving some like pinkish vibes. And we also we don't have any pink stone yet, so it will be a new one. And on the another stone we will paint this cartoon character. Its name is Patrick Star, and we have the stone shaped exactly like this, so we can paint easily. Now my sister will apply gesso on these stones. Now let it dry. Okay, after the stone gets dried completely, I design on it using the pencil. For the exact color, we need to mix this pink color and the white color. You can see that after mixing the colors we get the exact color. Painting is my most favorite part, so let's paint this cute stone. And also the pink color on it, it's looking so fresh and so natural. Now my sister is painting the lower part. Mix green and white for the lower part. Let's complete this, and for the remaining part I will paint the same green color on it. And for the flower we need to paint this purple. The next step is outlining, and I use the purple marker for outlining of this cute flower. You can see it is almost complete, and for the pink dots I will use the pink marker. Now look at this. Like this, and just a last outline is left, which will be done by the green marker. So I will use this green marker for the last outline. One thing which I realized while recording this video is that recording and painting simultaneously is not an easy task. It is very difficult to paint while recording the video for the YouTube. So it's one of the most difficult tasks for me. But here is the final look of our stone, and our Patrick star is ready, and our second stone is also ready. It is painted by my sister. So today we painted these two stones and we added them in our collection. So this is our collection, so let's add them in our collection. How cute our collection is looking. If you like the video, so don't forget to subscribe and like, and also you can also comment. Also let me know in the comments which stone is looking the cutest. Thank you. Bye bye.